Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to sell products online, accept payments, and manage orders from one dashboard, GoDaddy Website Builder makes this surprisingly simple in 2026. The key is enabling the online store feature correctly and set it up step by step. So most issues happen because people rush product setup or skip payments. So we will avoid that. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to add an online store in GoDaddy Websites Builder 2026 like a pro. So first thing, enable online store. So log into GoDaddy, go to website and marketing, select your website, and if you don't see commerce or online store, click add feature or enable online store. So some plans requires an upgrade. GoDaddy will prompt you, okay? So inside website plus marketing, click commerce or store. You will see products, orders, payments, shipping, taxes. So this is your store's control center. Okay. So add your first product. So go to product, add products. Okay. Choose product type, physical product, digital product, service, fill in product name, price, description, product images if you have images of the product. Okay. SKU, so this is optional. Okay, you can do it or you don't do it if you don't want to. So clear descriptions equals higher conversions. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.